We are going to be measuring the pH of this mat using this electronic pH meter. First thing would be to calibrate it. Notice that this has to be kept wet constantly, and this is the bulb or sensor. So in order for me to calibrate this, I'm going to follow the instructions that are written at the back of the instrument. I'm careful to make sure that I don't touch anything inside this particular cylinder. I'm having in this box buffer solutions, pH 4, pH 7, pH 10. Now, because I'm going to be working in a range which is going to be above 7, all I need to do is calibrate for 7 and for 10 in this particular mat. Some fluids might require something different. For example, a zinc bromide, highly concentrated solution will have a pH below 7, then we would have to calibrate it between 7 and 4. So here we are with pH 7. Before the calibration, I checked, and the instrument has the room temperature, which in this particular case is 20 degrees Celsius, corresponds to approximately 70 degrees or 69 degrees Fahrenheit. 7 is the pH of the buffer, so buffer would be a very stable solution. And so what I have to adjust here is one little screw that says standardize and put it exactly in 7.00. Once I've done that, I can move now to the next buffer. I'm going to go ahead and quickly remove this, rinse it carefully, cover the buffer solution, and go to the buffer that has a pH of 10. Temperature is the same. And now I have to correct another screw which is labeled as slope. Right now it's reading 9.94. So what I'm going to do is correct it until it reads 10. And here we got a 10. So that would be the end of the calibration. I can rinse again the bulb or sensor carefully. Cap the buffer with a pH of 10. And I'm ready now to measure the pH of the mat. And I'm going to show you that this is coming to 10.85. Still going up. I keep the sensor in motion to prevent the mat from forming a cake or caking up against the sensor. Then of course I'm going to rinse it carefully. And I can see that the pH here is 10.98. I'm going to call it 11.